What's up? I just got back from Somerset Mall buying the second generation iPod Touch, and now I'm gonna make a video of unboxing it. It's a 16 gigabyte. There it is.
Alright, now I'm going to do the rest of the opening. Come on. Push this back. How the hell do you open this? Alright, so pull this back. What the hell?
How do you even open
okay. This. Alright. So here it is. 16 gig, second generation iPod. Alright, let me put this down right now. Open the rest. This is just the book, headphones, USB connector, the adapter for the thing, and the cleaning cloth. And that's it.